Yes?
I have some news for you.
What?
Well, me and your mother have decided that you are going to have an arranged marriage.
What? No, I am not marrying for no one.
But you have to, because guess what? He's very rich.
Well, guess what? I don't want to.
Oh gosh, she's
So
gone.
rude. So rude. You hear that?
She's gone. Where has she gone? I know. Guards!
God!
I don't think they're coming.
Yes, sire.
You need to find our daughter. I'm on break. Oh.
We'll just have to wait for her to come back,
Yes.
I guess. Let's go to the sleeping quarters. Boing, boing, boing.
Why did my parents have to do an arranged marriage? They should know I don't want to. Oh, is that a hair? Why are you under my skirt?
Come on, sniff whatever the rabbits, the hairs out. Woof, 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 woof. Excuse me, dogs. You go on in. Ruff, ruff. Why aren't you going in? Okay, doggies, come out. Come back. Stay. Who are you?
I'm a Melangell, and I love these animals so much.
Oh, interesting.
And who are you?
I am Prince
Proclef.
Proclef. And I think you are very reasonable, and this valley, field, forestation shall be protected and owned by you, because I think you make some sense, and no hares shall be hunted here ever again.
Thank you. I'm not marrying you.
Oh, shame, shame.
They build a church for this. And animals and human come and worship here. And Melangell was made a saint, Saint Melangell.